Okay, yeah, I'll see you in the office tomorrow. Bye. Shit. The only pair of glass that I had is broken. Great. Every time I'm onto something, the universe says nope. I have an important meeting to attend tomorrow and God knows what I'm going to do. But I am saved. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ayushi in Europe. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So something really interesting happened. I received 4 pair of amazing glasses from the brand called Aoolia, and I don't think the timing couldn't be more perfect. So today we are going to test them, try them, review them, and of course decide which one is the winner. Drop your comments and tell me which one you like the most. So get comfortable, grab a snack, and let's get started. But before we go into the detail of the video, let me tell you, I have something really interesting deals for you guys, and trust me, you do not want to miss that. So stay till the end of the video and let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging first, guys. So I have received 2 boxes of glasses, like each has 2 pair of glasses. And if I have to talk about the first box, see, the box looks very premium, the quality is very sturdy, and they have their brand name Aoolia on the top. Now let's see what we have inside. Okay, so moving on with the first one. So here we have 2 glasses inside, and along with the glasses they have provided one lens cleaning wipe and 2 microfiber cloth. I really love it, guys, when brand does this extra step. It really helps in providing customers a really satisfactory experience. I really love this. So moving on to the glasses, so on this also they have provided their brand name on the top, Aoolia, and inside it, oh wow, again another level of packaging. I really like this one. So outer level we have this, and again they have packed the glass in this packing, so it is really to prevent the glass from getting scratched or dirty. A really nice job. So now let's try this. So this is the frame, guys. This is how it is, and now let's try it. But before trying, see this again, one more level of packing. Like, they have packed the frame sides also. I really love it. So 10 on 10 on the packaging, guys. So this is how the frame looks on me. You can see the screen of the exact name of the frame if you want to check on their website. But what I personally like to call this one is a trend setter. It is a bit bold but very stylish. It is giving me that perfect influencer vibes, the boss vibe. I love it. For me, it is personally a 10 on 10. But drop your comments and do let me know how did you like this one. Moving on to our second frame. So what I like to call this one is an everyday classic. It is perfect for your everyday wear, your office wear, or if you want to study. The frame is very lightweight and it feels very neat. It doesn't feel like that I am wearing anything on my face. And guys, Aoolia is a really good brand. So if you want to do any type of customization, or if you have any prescription like blue cut lenses, Aoolia lets you to do that as well. And Aoolia has many DIY options available that you can try. And a very good news for my friends sitting outside Germany. So Aoolia does a global delivery. That means you don't have to worry about your frames. You can order your frames from any part of the world and Aoolia will deliver it to you. Moving on to our third frame. So I call this as the minimalist. Thin metal frame, super lightweight and very classy. So guys, if you are someone who appreciates minimal yet classy design, this is the one for you. And I love it how it is, framing my face. It is perfect for your outerwear, for your office wear. It is giving a very classy vibe. Now let's talk about the part for which you guys have been waiting for. So currently the Black Friday sale is live on Aoolia and they are offering their frames at €1. Yes, you heard me right, €1. And to give you some more good news, you can use my coupon code shown on the screen for additional discount. But this is not the end, guys. They are also providing another coupon, BF60. So like, if you want to order 2 frames, you can order that and apply this coupon code and you will get your another frame for 60% off. Guys, this is the craziest deal going on currently. So do not sit on it. Go grab your glasses as soon as possible. So the last frame that we have received is the sunglasses, guys. I love how cool, funky it is looking. It is giving the perfect weekend vibe. It is perfect for your sunny days, for your brunch days, or for the days where you do not want to people know that you haven't slept. So So did you guys think that I will leave you without telling you how you can order these glasses and grab all those amazing details? No, let me tell you how you can order all these glasses. Come along. To order the glasses, you have to go on their site Aoolia. Here you can see they have given multiple options in the sale. So currently they have 70% sale going on, €1 glasses available, and also 60% sales available. Now let me show you how you can order. Before that, you see there are multiple options available. They have glasses, sunglasses. You can choose whatever you want as per your requirement. For the demo purpose, let's go by selecting glasses. So here I will select the glass that I want. Let's say I want a square glass. And see, there are so many beautiful options. Let's select the first one. So here you see they have also given an option to try it on. When you click that, you can upload your photo here and select how the frame will look on your face. For a particular frame, they have given multiple color options. For now, I will select the initial one, clear blue. And in the glass type, for now, I am going to select frame only. So here there is an option to select frame only. Let's click on that. Let's go further. Here, confirm and add to cart. And now we have our glass in the cart. So now go to your cart and to the basket of goods. Here you see they have given an option to add the discount code or gift card. So let me show you how you can add my discount code here. So my discount code is NOTHA15. So yeah, you see you will get a perfect 15% discount on this glass. I also talked about another discount coupon. So let's say you are selecting 2 frames at a time. For demo purpose, I will just click another one of this. Here you can apply either my coupon code or BF60 to get additional 60% off. Now click on now checkout. So here you can enter your delivery address where you want to order the frame, and in the country there are multiple options, like wherever you are currently you can select that and order the frame as per your like. So yeah, it's very simple. Just add all your details, add the payment details, and then click on place and order. And simple, your glasses are placed. So yeah guys, this was all about the glasses. I hope you really liked the video. If you did, please do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.